How to set up taxes in Shopify. So right here from the home page, we're simply going to click on settings at the bottom left corner. And then here we can see the option for taxes and duties. Once selected, this will load a list of all of the different regions as well as the tax percentage that we are collecting. So what we want to do, for example, is click one of these regions here. So I'm going to do Canada, and it's going to look like this. So sales tax, if you do business in Canada, you may be required to collect sales tax on sales. So I'm going to click on collect in new region here, and we're going to select the region for which we are going to actually get taxed. So for example, if we do Quebec here, then we will have to type out the sales tax ID. So right here you can see an example sales tax ID. So basically we'll have to input it, and after we have input the number here, we'll simply click on collect sales tax, and this will create this sales tax or region that we're collecting sales tax in. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.